Hi again, everyone. This is Denise here from Hair and House Pilates and Yoga, and today is part 8 of our core control strength series. So you're going to lie on your back. So it's getting harder. We've been progressing all of these times. And so for number 8, we're going to be lying on our back in tabletop. If you need a little bit of support for the back of your head, you're welcome to have some. So we're going to start lying down. And to be quite honest with you, I find this series very, very challenging. So take your time, and if it's too difficult for you, take a step back. Or just take your time and do the best you can. You want to keep your back braced. Okay, so lying on your back is braced. Ribs are down and your breastbone's down, your abs are tight. We're going to bring your knee into a table position. So my body likes to tip the other way, so I really hug my leg in to get table position. We're going to extend the leg out and then move my leg back to table. Arms are going to be down by your side, so you want to keep your back braced by keeping your abs tight. And if you can't, if your back lifts, then you may need to bring your knee in a little closer to your body. So abs are tight, your foot is flexed, and you're going to lift the leg up. Lots of control with this. And slowly lower the leg down. And lift, and lower. And lift, and lower. And keep lifting. We're doing 8 reps. If you need extra support, you can tuck your hands and brace your back down into your hands. One last time. I'm going to lower my foot, bring my knees up to a table position, adjust my pelvis again. Now I'm going to bring my right leg in and really tip my pelvis so my back feels like it's settled and my pelvis is in neutral. Extend the opposite leg, keep your back braced, abs tight, and lift and lower. We're doing 8 reps here. By having a little something behind your head, it sometimes takes the strain out of the neck and the shoulder area, and that's why I've got a little blanket behind my head today. 3 more times. Good, and then bring the knees in and lower your feet and adjust your body. So the next one, we're in a table position, so we're getting harder here. It's more challenging. You're going to lower your leg down and lift to table. Try not to use the upper body too much. You'll feel your back press down, that's good, but try not to take it into the shoulders. One more in each. And then gently lower your feet and rock your body side to side. So now we're extending it further. We're going to add our arms, the arm arcs. So one knee into our chest. Get your pelvis set and then move the leg back to table, flex your feet. Opposite arm is above the head, so we're going to lift the right leg, left arm up. Keep your back braced. Three more times, 8 reps. Good. Set the pelvis, extend the other leg out, opposite arm above the head, feet are flexed, back is braced, lift. 8 reps. Three more. Good. Bend your knees, lower your feet. Settle the body, gently rock. Okay, so this time we're going to do both arms above the head. One leg is extended, one knee is at table position. Feet are flexed, back is braced. Lift. Lots of control, keeping the back braced. Working our internal, external obliques. Two more times here. Knees at table, back is anchored. Extend the other leg out and lift. Two more times. Very good. Gently lower your feet. Let your body rest. And now we're going to do the tough one. And this is alternating legs with both arms going at the same time. So it's a little bit of brain gym. So get your back set by bracing it down. You're in table position. Your feet are flexed. Your arms are going to go over your head. You're going to extend one leg out. Bring it up. Extend the other leg out. So go nice and slow so you don't get confused. One more set. And bring it in and gently lower down. So that's it for this short video. Core strength, core control from a tabletop position. And we'll see you next time. Thank you very much, everybody, and I hope you have a great day. Take care, bye.